Really don't know how much I'll be able to achieve today, but I'm hoping I can have a better coop for them by the end of the day. Got a chain link fence over here. Been using this chain link fence the best that I can. Let's check on these three. Yeah, they're not happy. It's a nice day, they should be outside, but you know what? It's for the best. I weed whacked all this too. It's just some stinging nettle. I don't know if you guys will be able to see these guys. Oh yeah, you can see them fine. Both in your food bowl again, eh? Classic. So these two ladies had to get separated because they were both being picked on. And ever since I separated them, they've been laying for the first time ever, so congratulations. It's technically going to be 2 coops because those ladies in there are going to stay separated. They're happier when they're separated. And I'm going to use the chain link fence for most of their coop, I think. And somehow I have to make a door between the two so that I can clean this one better and access this one easier. I have this thing laying up against the barn right now. Really don't know if that's going to work. It was my door for this coop. It perfectly covered the 2 holes there. And then that is a very old redneck hen house, but pull this loop here, I had it on a pulley, and that's how I let them out every day. And then when you're done, you just release it, they go back in their hen house. That worked for about a month or 2, and then they ended up roosting right above the pulley there, so chickens can fly, believe it or not. So yeah, a little update, and just gonna sit here and ponder what I'm doing, and I'll be back at it soon. So a little update. Obviously I struggled with those T-posts over there, but I got them in, and the chain link fence was a perfect fit for this triangle here. I'm gonna remove this wall and put it right here, and that way I can have the beginning of the smaller coop for the 2 hens inside, and then this big triangle will be for the 3 guys in there. Well, guy and 2 hens, I guess, but it's coming along, and I'm hoping I can finish today. Okay, so another quick update. Got this wall moved. I put in another beam there. I think I might have already filmed that though. Well, there's a gunshot for you. Okay, well, they are out and about. I got the tarp on. This is the going to be the small coop for the hens that are separated. Those are happy clucks, happy chickens. Turned out pretty good. Hey everyone, so this is just a quick update a few months later. Chickens have been loving the place. They survived the winter. We did end up separating the rooster by himself just because he was getting way too aggressive and hurting a couple of the hens. So he has his own little suite now, and the hens are by themselves laying happily. So thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed.